Masabi mo lang sa sarili.
Relaxin mo naman ako sa birthday ko. Isipin mo na nga. Not only are they unbeaten, but they're playing at a very high level, higher than any other team in the league. To be very honest with you, and great job Coach Jimmy is doing there. I'm so proud of the job that he's doing. And again, it's going to be a huge challenge for us. I hope we can be deserving of going on the same floor with them to compete against them, especially with all our injuries. But tama ka, this is going to be a really big mountain for us. But we will just approach it the way we've always approached it, just piece by piece. Put one foot in front of the other, and just focus on what's in front of us. And right now, what's in front of us is our rest. We'll take a rest tomorrow, come back ready to figure out a way to stop the juggernaut that is NLEX for our next game.
Coach, will it be different coaching against your former captain?
Yes, and it will be an honor. Coaching against a legitimate NBA coach. It will be an honor. And like I said, I just hope that we are deserving of that honor to be on the same floor with them.
With that,